Now, there is a case in the Salman Khurshid Rao that had erupted yesterday. There is an FIR that has been registered against Samajwadi Party leader Maria Alam after she appealed to the people to practice quote-unquote vote jihad in the polls. Uttar Pradesh's Farrukhabad is where she made that statement. She urged people to practice vote jihad with intelligence and without being sentimental, and with silence to drive away the quote-unquote Sanghi central government. Maria is the niece of the veteran Congress leader Salman Khurshid, who was also present at the rally. Following the remarks, an FIR has now been lodged against Maria Alam and Salman Khurshid by the Farrukhabad police. Both the leaders were charged under the IPC sections of 188 and 295A and a violation of the Model Code of Conduct. Salman Khurshid was also present at the event as the chief guest when the statement was made. On the other hand, BJP has condemned the remarks and said that Muslims need to be saved from the Muslim leaders if they have to progress.
नरेंद्र लोग वोट जिहाद की बात कर रहे हैं। ये जिहाद की बात करने वालों को मैं बोलूंगा, भारत का भविष्य जिहाद या फसाद से तय नहीं होगा। ये देश किसी फतवे या फरमान से नहीं, भारत के संविधान, बाबा साहब अंबेडकर के दिए संविधान से चलता है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार सबका साथ सबका विकास इसी मूल मंत्र के साथ चलती है। फतवे और जिहाद के दिन चले गए हैं। लोग जागरूक हो चुके हैं। जो लोग सोचते हैं कि यहाँ पर जाति के नाम पे, धर्म के नाम पे वोट मांगेंगे, उनका काम नहीं चलेगा। दिल्ली पर अब गौरी, गजनवी, लोधी या मुगलों का शासन नहीं, भारत की चुनी हुई और भारतीयों द्वारा चुनी हुई एक लोकतांत्रिक सरकार के द्वारा होता है। और पिछले 10 वर्षों में 25 करोड़ गरीबों को गरीबी रेखा से बाहर निकाला, 4 करोड़ पक्के मकान बनाए, अब 3 करोड़ पक्के मकान और बनाएंगे। 1 करोड़ बहनें लखपति दीदी बनी, अब 3 करोड़ बहनें लखपति दीदी बनेगी।
Nikita, this controversy over the remark that was made by Salman Khurshid's niece in Farrukhabad. She's spoken about vote jihad. She's spoken about how people must boycott the Muslims who are supporting the BJP.
Well, we have earlier listened regarding love jihad. Now a vote jihad against Bharatiya Janata Party is straight away countered. Now, and the first information report has been filed against Samajwadi Party leader Maria Alam after she appealed to the people to practice vote jihad in the poll in UP, Farrukhabad. So she also urged people not to vote jihad with intelligence and without being sentiment, with silence to drive away, the Sanghi central government. And Maria, if we talk about Maria, she is a niece of Congress leader Salman Khurshid. Following the remark that FIR was lodged against Maria Alam and Khurshid by Farrukhabad police, and both the leaders are charged under IPC section and also violating the Model Code of Conduct. And if we talk about Salman Khurshid, he was also present at the event as the chief guest where this whole conversation took place. And yesterday, while talking to the State President, that is Bhupen Singh Chaudhary, he also denied and saying that these all political angles are turning in a drastic mode, which is not supposed to happen, and they are straightforward countering Bharatiya Janata Party that BJP is doing vote jihad. Over to you.
All right.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.